Brandon unboxing the first performance mod for his car. What'd you get, Brando?
Exhaust.
What kind of exhaust?
2.5 inch mid-pipe and muffler.
Sweet. Let's check it out. For what kind of car?
Miata.
Miata what? NA or NB?
NB.
Aha. So Brandon's got his first car, the Miata NB 1999. Here's the exhaust. Holy crap. That thing's going on that little Miata? Thing looks like it weighs about 1,000 pounds, doesn't it?
No, it's actually light. It's 18 pounds lighter than the factory exhaust.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Sweet. Let's check it out.
Wait, what are we going to see? This is quiet it down. This is a pretty big resonator.
It is. Yeah, that'll quiet it down. It looks like really good quality.
It is good quality.
For a company
I'm
with
sure it's TIG welded.
for a company with the name like ISIS,
It's ISR, they renamed it.
formerly known as ISIS. It's a pretty good product.
Do you mind moving the muffler?
I'm filming. Can't move the muffler. Brandon's first mod. Ooh, it's gonna be sick. I'd probably change the oil first. That's what I would do first.
Yeah.
Change that freaking
I
oil.
don't know first, but
Oh, it's straight through. Damn, that thing's like a meat smoker. It's huge. So is it pretty light?
yeah, it's light.
It looks like it weighs about 1,000 pounds though. Seriously, look at the size of that thing.
It's not light. Hold it with 2 hands. Give it to me. Let go.
Makes my WRX 3-inch exhaust look like a kid's toy compared to this. That is wicked. All right, we're here with Brandon's Miata NB, first fire up with his new exhaust. Oh man, I think the earth just shook. Awesome. It's really getting loud. Just got the exhaust on Brandon's car. And 3 hours of detailing the interior. Finally got it cleaned up. What do you think, Brando? How's it sound?
Good.
Yeah. Looks good. We're in the drift missile. In the missile. The new exhaust. Brandon driving the Miata. You digging it, Brando?
Yeah.
Sweet.